As an engagement coordinator, what we regularly find is people saying that they don't enjoy maths and therefore they don't want to participate in anything to do with maths. What we wanted to highlight was that we all incorporate maths into day-to-day activities, so we wanted to put something together as part of the programme that would engage with people who would otherwise not engage with normal activities within the college. A lot of people drive, so the Basic Car Mechanics programme was born.
Be da ni'n gynnig fama ydy cyfle i bobl ddod yma i dysgu sgiliau newydd ynglŷn â trin ceir ac ella hefyd opportunity jyst i cael allan o'r tŷ rei bobl. Mae lot o bobl reit anxious am ceir, os dyn nhw'n clywed twrw ar ei gar, maen nhw'n dechrau poeni, mae rhywbeth am digwydd, mae'r car am torri lawr, a wedyn da ni'n mynd trwy pethau fel hynna, jyst i roi fatha hyder yn nhw'n fel, oce, iawn, di hyn ddim mor serious i hynna, mae gen i fi dipyn bach amser i fynd i garage i cael gweld bedio.
I've enjoyed learning about basic things for the car. So what to do before an MOT to help it pass, how to change a tyre, so if you're roadside, how to do it safely. I've had to check when the bonnet levels and the dashboard lights as well, what the colour indicators mean. I'd feel like a lot more confident driving as well, because if a problem was to come, then I'd know a little bit of what to do.
Mae mathemateg yn dod reit naturiol i trin ceir neu engineering, i ddweud gwir, pethau fatha pan da ni'n checio faint o pressure sy'n mewn tiar, faint o tread depth, faint o olew mae injan yn gymryd. So mae rhifau yn dod i fewn i hyn yn reit naturiol i ddweud gwir.
A lot of the courses we have on Multiply are taster sessions, no more than 4 weeks at a time. So they're not too intrusive for people's everyday lives. We have people of all ages and backgrounds coming on the car mechanics course. They don't necessarily have a background in car mechanics. They could be people who just want to know a bit more about the basics of their car.